What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Dub Digital. Crypto news, macro trends. Give me a subscribe if you appreciate the content I'm bringing you daily. TA on all your favorite altcoins. All of your favorite altcoins. And if you're scared in the market, if you don't have the knowledge, if you don't understand the macro forces going on, make sure to click on the video above where I explain all that. But no further ado, let's pull up the charts. Swipe, baby. XSP, Swipe Squad. I know you're out there. I know you listen to me. I got love for y'all. Welcome back. Check it out, guys. Crypto's bleeding. A lot of people are scared. A lot of people are worried. A lot of people don't understand what's going on. If you're a wolf, if you join my channel, click the card above and you can learn how to murder this bloodbath and turn it into a positive thing. Obviously, this thing broke out of the structure, out of that triangle I had. Remember that last video? I was eyeing a triangle breakout. Swipe didn't do anything, y'all. But in actuality, the dollar was rising. All of these things don't really matter for Swipe, guys. Focus on Swipe. Is Swipe still the project you like? If it is, hold on to it. If it isn't, drop the thing. Dang. You know, it's not that complicated, guys. But check this out. Let's just draw a fib retracement tool to understand the situation of the price action so we can understand if this is a deal to pick up, if this thing's going to drop down lower, what's going on. Let's draw it out. So look, I did the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top, the whole structure in its entirety. Just looking at it, guys, this thing 0.328 Fibonacci level oversold. In my opinion, this is extremely oversold, but this is oversold. Not saying that I won't drop any further, but let's look at some trend lines here. Let's get this fib thing out. You guys get the point, right? 40% of them left. 40% of y'all were weak hands. Now it's the strong hands left. So what are y'all gonna do? We're gonna draw some trend lines. Whenever you don't know what's going on in the structure, draw the fib lines, draw trend lines. See previous sticking points, which will probably be future sticking points. If you're confident that there's a base that will probably support steep sell-offs such as what we're experiencing now, and that might be an interesting opportunity to pull the trigger on purchasing, because the support is like your insurance policy. It's the confidence you have that people also agree with you that an asset is worth a certain price. More easily able to see where there are lines where the market disagrees in valuation. There's a line right here, here, stair stepping all the way up to this point, going up slowly along this trend line, fell off the trend line. Now you got to see what the structure does. However, we have green candles coming in all along this thing buying. You can see the stair stepping down. But obviously, guys, we have to draw another trend line. What happens when your structure breaks? What do you do? What's your next course of action? Well, I like to leave my line so I know what I thought. You just got to monitor, guys. This could be the new trend line and we can go like very flat from here, but if you maintain this trend line, this thing could have a big pickup in volume, bang, right back on there. That could be a temporary falling out of the structure. This thing would have to be adjusted like this. I had a theory that this was going on, something like this, and then we were just busting up in price. Let's try to analyze one more thing, guys, the ADL. All right, guys, yeah, this confirms that these were all weak hands coming in here because we have the amount of unique buyers buying, selling, holding, moving. XSP has been reducing since September the 4th or so. Okay, so for the last 4 days, a lot of weak hands have been bailing on XSP. To me, if you believe in the project, if you find value in the project, if you are still as bullish as you were when the price was going up, then this is interesting, right? Because the Fibonacci tool told us that we were somewhat oversold. I jumped over to the 1-day chart here just to show you guys the rate of drop is tapering off the closer we get to this new trend line I drew. That's important, guys, as you see Japanese candlesticks get smaller and smaller as the depth gets larger and larger. That indicates to you that either the selling pressure is running out of steam or the buying pressure is meeting it consistently and tiring out the sellers. I think this might be a very interesting point to practice value investing. That is a recipe to get wrecked. For the story, XSP, you could even focus on the price going down. Good project. Just knowing something's getting overextended. That's when the fib retracement tool helps y'all out a lot. I keep going on and on. Y'all do what y'all gotta do. Most importantly though, I'm Dub Digital. Crypto news, macro trends. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.